Hello students, as I told you in this video I will help you to solve exercise 2b. And listen, no need to write fill up, then fill up which is question number 1, then question number 10, 11 and 12 in your copy. These question answers you can do in your book only. Okay, you can fill the blanks here, then you can write the type of equations, matching and multiple choice. You can do them in the book itself, and from question number 2 to 9 you have to do in your copy. Okay, so let's start with question number 1. Complete the following statement. The chemical change involves iron and hydrochloric acid illustrates a displacement reaction. Of course, iron being more reactive displaces hydrogen from HCl to form ferrous chloride and hydrogen. In type of reaction called dash, two compounds exchange their positive and negative radical. You know, I told you double decomposition. The type of reaction will be double decomposition in which exchange of radicals takes place. A catalyst either increases or decreases the rate of a chemical change, but itself remains unchanged at the end of the reaction, or it itself remains unchanged at the end of the reaction. That must be correct. On heating hydrated copper sulfate, color changes from blue to white. Hydrated copper sulfate is blue in color. Heat करने पे water vapors उड़ जाएंगे उसके, and it will turn to white amorphous powder. So blue to white. Coming to question number 2, when hydrogen burns in oxygen, water is formed. H2 plus O2 forms H2O, and when electricity is passed through water, hydrogen and oxygens are given out. Name the type of chemical change involved in the two cases. So you have to write the answer. When hydrogen burns in oxygen to form water, the reaction is called combination reaction, and when electricity is passed through water to give hydrogen and oxygen, the type of reaction is called electrochemical decomposition. Okay. Question number 3. Explain giving one example for each of the following chemical changes. Double decomposition, I have told you the definition, and you can also get the definition for double decomposition here. Page number 28, double decomposition is given, and then you can give any two examples. Then thermal dissociation. Thermal dissociation is not separately given. Thermal dissociation, just write down the definition of thermal dissociation. It is a reversible decomposition reaction. Thermal dissociation is a reversible decomposition reaction brought about only by heating. Okay, so reversible thermal decomposition is called thermal dissociation. And the example you can write here, this one example. Ammonium chloride, which is a reversible process, on heating gives ammonia and HCl, and on cooling it will give you back ammonium chloride. So you can give this example here. Reversible reaction. Reversible reaction, write down. Reactions in which the direction of chemical change can be reversed by changing the conditions under which the reaction is taking place is called reversible reaction. Okay, reaction in which the direction of chemical change can be reversed by changing the conditions under which the reaction is taking place is called reversible reaction. You can give the example of this one. This is a reversible reaction. Iron plus water gives ferric oxide and hydrogen. Then coming to last, displacement, you know, it is a reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its salt solution. And you can give the one example of displacement from the displacement here. You can give any of these examples, either this copper sulfate and zinc, magnesium and sulfuric acid. Any of the three example you can write. Then coming to question number 4, part A, what is synthesis? Synthesis, just write down. When two or more elements combine to give a single product, the type of reaction is called synthesis. And what type of chemical reaction is synthesis? Synthesis is direct combination type of reaction. Okay, and you can support your answer by giving an example. For synthesis, you can give this example of combination of two elements to form a single compound. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide, or iron plus sulfur gives ferrous sulfide. These are the examples of synthesis because they are two elements directly combined to form a single product. Then question number 5. Decomposition brought about by heat is known as thermal decomposition. What is difference between thermal dissociation and thermal decomposition? So write down the answer. Thermal decomposition is a reaction in which a compound splits into two or more simpler substances on heating. Okay, you know that is already given in your book. That is thermal decomposition, and you can give the example: decomposition of calcium carbonate on heating, it gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. And what is thermal dissociation? Write down. Thermal dissociation is a reversible decomposition. That is the main thing. Decomposition और dissociation में सिर्फ इतना ही फ़र्क है, दोनों में ही एक सिंगल कंपाउंड टू और मोर सिंपलर सब्सटेंस में स्प्लिट होता है, लेकिन थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन इरिवर्सिबल होता है और जबकि थर्मल डिसोसिएशन जो है वो रिवर्सिबल होता है. So thermal dissociation are reversible decomposition reactions in which the product of decomposition can reunite to form original substance when heat which brings about the decomposition is withdrawn is called thermal dissociation. Okay. So when you remove the heat, on heating it get decomposed, and of course if you want to reverse the process you have to withdraw the heat, or on cooling it will give the reactant back. Define neutralization reaction with example. Neutralization reaction, here it is, neutralization is given here on page number 28, and you can give any examples from this section. Then give 3 applications of neutralization reaction. 3 applications of neutralization reactions, they are also given on the same page number 28. These A, B and one more application C. 3 applications of neutralization are given here. Then coming to question number 7. What do you understand by precipitation reaction? Explain with an example. Precipitation reaction. Actually, precipitation is a type of decomposition reaction in which insoluble product is formed. So on page 28 you can get precipitation reaction and you can get the examples also. What is double displacement? Double displacement and double decomposition meaning is same. So give example of double displacement reaction where gas is evolved. So first you can write the double decomposition from this. Okay, and 2 examples of double decomposition in which gas is evolved, they are given here. These are the 2 examples of double displacement or double decomposition where gas is evolved. Just write these 2 equations. Okay, page 28. Then question number 9. What is decomposition reaction? Decomposition reaction also you have written, given on page number 25. Here it is decomposition reaction. Okay. Then give an example. Decomposition reaction can occur by heat, electricity and sunlight. Give 2 balanced reactions each. So first, decomposition by light. You can get the decomposition by light. One example, this one, AgCl, another may be AgNO3. Then decomposition by heating, you can write this example of calcium carbonate and ferrous sulfate. Then decomposition on passing electricity, you can write decomposition of water and decomposition of sodium chloride. Okay, I gave you these examples in my videos, so you can go through my video again in which I have explained the decomposition reaction. In that video you will get the perfect example of each category. Don't write the wrong answers by yourself. You can, no problem, you have the videos, they are already stored in the Flip Academy. Just go through them and write the correct example. State the type of reaction where each of the following represent and balance the one which are not balanced. Balancing you have to do. Just I am telling you the type of reaction here. Chlorine plus 2 KBr gives 2 KCl plus bromine. Of course, chlorine is displacing bromine here, displacement. Then sodium hydroxide plus HCl. The reaction between base and acid, you know it is neutralization, but the correct answer will be double decomposition neutralization. पूरी बात लिखनी है यहाँ पे. Then mercuric oxide एक single reactant decompose होके 2 दे रहा है, then of course it is a decomposition reaction. Then iron plus copper sulfate gives ferrous sulfate. iron ने copper को displace किया, displacement है ये. Then लेड ऑक्साइड प्लस सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड कंबाइंड हो रहे हैं तो कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन है. पोटेशियम क्लोराइड अगेन स्प्लिट हो रहा है टू प्रोडक्ट्स में तो डिकम्पोजिशन है. हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड इज अगेन स्प्लिटिंग इनटू 2 डिकम्पोजिशन. पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट प्लस सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, सो इट इज़ a double decomposition reaction. Potassium nitrate and sulfuric acid, they are decomposing they are exchanging the radical to form nitric acid and potassium bisulfate, double decomposition reaction. Then copper oxide plus hydrogen gives copper and water, again it is displacement because hydrogen has displaced copper from copper oxide. Then calcium carbonate on heating splits into 2 products, so decomposition. Ammonium chloride on heating gives ammonia and HCl, decomposition. Then lead oxide plus nitric acid, base and acid gives salt and water, double decomposition neutralization. And this is silver nitrate plus NaCl, AgCl plus NO3, it will double decomposition precipitation. Then coming to match the following, first reaction जिंक प्लस सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, अगेन इट इज़ डिस्प्लेसमेंट. देन ये सनलाइट क्लियरली दिया हुआ है, ऑफ कोर्स इट शुड बी फोटोकेमिकल डिकम्पोजिशन. यहाँ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की प्रेजेंस में हो रहा है तो इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक डिकम्पोजिशन हो गया. यहाँ डेल्टा मीन्स हीट के प्रेजेंस में हो रहा है तो थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन हो गया. मल्टीपल चॉइस, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ अ केमिकल चेंज? नो नेट एनर्जी चेंज इज इन्वॉल्व. जब भी कोई केमिकल चेंज होता है तो हमेशा नेट एनर्जी चेंज होती है उसमें, सो दैट इज़ फॉल्स. पार्ट 2, a reaction of type AB plus CD gives AD plus CD involves exchange of ions of AB and CD. Then the reaction barium chloride plus sulfuric acid gives barium sulfate and HCl. barium sulfate solid insoluble बन रहा है ना, तो ये है डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ सोडियम कार्बोनेट विल प्रोड्यूस, मैंने बताया ना, वेन एवर एनी कार्बोनेट डिकम्पोज इट ऑलवेज गिव्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो हेयर आई हैव फिनिश्ड, I have explained all the questions of exercise 2B. So if you have any doubt, just clear it between 6 to 8 in the evening. Otherwise, copy all the question answers 2 to 9 in your copy. And I told you first 10th, 11th and 12th they should be done in the book. But I think you don't have the book now. I think books are available. So if you are having the book, then don't write. If you don't have the book, then you can write in your copy.